Wisdom tree? What? Hiking to Wisdom tree.
What is Wisdom tree?
It's a hike, bitch. Take a hike, literally. Oh.
You're in your own. 100% chance of skin damage and a 50% chance of very hard nipples. So hard.
You know what the moral of the story was? Everybody's different. Because it's true, every snowflake was, you could see all the detail. That is God's work.
It is amazing.
That's God's work. She said, hi. And I'm the only surefire way to disengage your temporomandibular joint, Dr. Bitchcraft. I don't know what. Let's party. Katya, ready? Care for a fucking? I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. Okay.
Honey! 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 Ah!
Panties, bitch. Panties. Would you like to buy a nice little cat?
Cool.
Thank you for flying Christian Airlines. In the event of our emergency, suck on a Capri Sun and know that this is God's plan. For our in-flight meals today, we'll be having Fisher loaves. In the event of emergency, oxygen masks will pipe down, and be sure to secure yours before the others, unless it's a fetus. Secure.
Hi, I'm the chemical burn from the spiral perm, Trixie Mattel.
What? You have the nerve! You have the nerve! You have a lot of nerve! That do take. I'm Jesus Christ's mother's lawyer, and I mean business. Katya.
Yeah, I'm just happy to be involved.
Calvin.
Better not pout, better not cry, you better not shout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to fuck me in the rake with a pussy bomb. Oh, got it backwards. Santa Claus is coming to snatch your fucking wig, you shook ass bitch. You better not weep in my face, you stupid bitch. Santa Claus is coming.
Time.
There's psychological time and then clock time.
Now I'm a little embarrassed because I thought we were going to be talking about the spice time. And that's really all I've studied up on. I'm the pupil.
Rosemary and thyme, strawberries and wine.
Oh, I'm a mouse. I'm a mouse. You're a mouse. Because I'm a mouse. I'm a rodent. You like rodent? Oh, you don't have a cat, so I live in your house. It's so stupid. Ooh, I'm a mouse trap queen.
Oh, mousetrap.